If you have ever been broke and you need to make a quick buck without withdrawing the money you have in your crypto wallet, you need a fresh money. And when I say quick buck, I mean urgent $10 that you can use without touching your capital, then this video is actually for you. As an arbitrage trader, this is what we do on a regular basis, because most times you need to withdraw a quick money from your wallet. What you do is you find an opportunity, exploit it, and make money. So watch this video to the end and let me show you the easiest way to do this, right? So first of all, what you have to do is come to your Binance app. When I say Binance, you already know it's Triangular Arbitrage you'll be going for. So if you have Binance, you don't have it anyways, you can simply set it up. It's very easy to do. Then go over to this search area here. It's easier to use this than to use the market area. It's same thing basically. Now what we do when we come here is to search for projects, right? You search for letters. For Triangular Arbitrage, it means buying coin from one place, sending it to the other, and sending it back to the first place you bought it, and you know the amount you've made. And this is the easiest way to make profit on arbitrage without sending it out of the exchange, without the extra gas fee, without the waiting time and all that. So what we usually do is we search for projects, any letter anyways. You can just search from any letters. There's no specific letter, right? So now you can see that some projects have price differences, like this one, YB USDT, then YB USDC. Now you can see 0.0911, 0.0913. Now depending on your capital, before you go to these ones that have smaller price differences, what we are looking for are price differences that are much, because our capital might not be much. We might be using $100, $50 or thereabout, right? So instead of using USDT to USDC, that you know that the price difference might be smaller, we'll be going through USDT or USDC to BTC to back to the USDT or USDC we use, right? Why I say USDT or USDC is depending on where we find opportunity that is cheaper. So let's go ahead and search for the ones that has USDT and BTC. That's the most important here, or USDT or Ethereum, USDT or BNB. Any one of them can actually work, right, based on your own preference. Now I'm seeing a lot of differences here on normal projects. You can see here 3618, 3624. But right now we are not looking for USDT and USDC because we are looking to make more profit with a smaller capital. So we are not seeing anyone in Y. Then we go to maybe Care, right? If you are not seeing anyone in Care, then we go to the next one. That's how you find it. So what you're looking for, like I said, is the one that has BTC enabled, right? So the one that has BTC, USDT, USDC that is available in all the coins or all the pairs, right? So let me check L. You are going through this alphabetically anyways. So I saw link, but yeah, link BTC. I'm not sure this price might be exploitable, right? So let me just try link. So what we'll be doing now, I think the cheapest here is on USDT. So we buy link with USDT, then we'll be selling it. We send it to BTC, then we send it back to USDT and know how much we've made. So let's start with link. So we'll be doing a simulation with this. Why I didn't want to use link is because of the price. One link is like $8, and usually there's no much price differences here. So that's the challenge we have. So we are buying at 8.29. So remember that. So we're buying with $100 and we got 12.09. So let's go back and search for a link. So if you buy first of all with USDT, now you have link. So what you will do now is search for a link. Now you'll be sending or selling it to BTC. So you'll be selling it to BTC, the amount you got. You'll be using the current market price. That's what you'll be using. You can use order book or whatever, market order or whatever. But yeah, this current market price is basically the same. So we'll be getting 0.015, right? So what we'll do now is we'll be selling this to USDT back. So you understand the gist right now. So we'll be selling this BTC that we got to USDT, so I will not confuse you. So BTC USDT. So basically we got link, we sold it to BTC. Now we are selling the BTC to USDT to know if we made any profit. And if there's no profit, then we will find another opportunity. Remember, this is the current price. That's what we'll be using. So we post the USDT we bought, right? So basically, there's no price difference to exploit here. The price difference is even actually from BTC. If you're buying with BTC, you'll be getting like 0.5 cents. So this doesn't work, right? And remember, this is a simulation until find the appropriate or the best one for us. Now, link, that's what we went to. Let's go to another letter and know if we'll find another one. So we have these ones near. So we'll be using, okay, see this one. There's new, no BTC. Okay, NEXO. So let's go for NEXO, right? So we'll be going with NEXO here. The same amount, $100. So let me show you the gist here. $100 now we'll be buying at the green side of this project, or let's buy at the market price anyways. Then we'll be selling at the real side where is the current market price on BTC. So let's buy with this current price 0.831 because there's no difference from this one and this one. So we're using 0 market price here. Now let's go to BTC. We'll be selling this amount we got, which is 123 NEXO to BTC. Remember the same process. You buy it first of all, then sell it to BTC, then sell BTC to USDT and back to USDT. That's basically it, right? So NEXO BTC. Now you have NEXO in our wallet. Remember, this is a simulation. Now what we'll be doing is, you see this 0.15. We want to sell it instantly. We don't want to waste time, because if you're selling at this market price, it's 1516. So we're selling this market price. This is 15, right? It's the same thing. This first green and this is basically the same thing. So it's the current market price we'll be selling it at. So we got 123 NEXO. And looking at this price BTC, I mean, there's no much price difference anyway, so no need to even check. But let's check it because we are doing a simulation. So the market price here is not much, so we'll be selling it and we'll be getting basically the same thing, no profit. So now let's find another coin that we might find profit inside. So basically, arbitrage trading, most people find it that think that it's actually easy. Bro, it's not easy. This is how you do it. If you want to do triangular arbitrage, you check them until you find opportunities, right? It's not always the cut and join stuff you always see. It's better to see it from a perspective of a real trader, right? So you understand the thought process that goes in. And most times, if you see the opportunity, it might not even last, right? It might not even last. So you have error. This one is on BNB. I mean, we could check it, but yeah, nah, let's free that one. So what we do now, we will not be buying any coin that the price difference is not on USDT and BTC. So what we do is, if the price difference is lower on USDT, then obviously it might be lower on BTC. So let's check another one, another letter. So let's check for C. Remember, we are trying to make at least $10 today, and that's what we are looking for. This video might be long because I don't know when we'll find it. So we have cookie, right? Cookie USDT, no BTC. We have course, no USDT, no BTC. I mean, there's a shortcut to finding only BTC pairs, but I don't want to use it. I want to use the general method. If you want to find only BTC pairs, you can just select the pairs to be BTC, right? But I want it to be on USDT so I can see the price differences. I think I'll check for care. Okay, let me check. Kava has BTC, right? So which other one? We will check Kava. Okay, KNC. KNC has BTC as well. So let's check Kava then KNC if this one doesn't pay us, right? So now we're looking for $10, bro. It's not easy, man. We're looking for $10, bro. So we're using $500 for this, right? We're using $500 for this. We'll be buying at the current market price. The current market price here with $500. So we copy this and we'll be getting 10,000 cover. Now we'll be sending this cover to USDT and BTC, right? Cover BTC. We sell it to BTC first of all, then we sell the BTC to USDT and know if there's any price difference anyways. So we'll be selling it at this price. So paste the cover here. Now we have 0.0076. This is what we copy, cover BTC. Then now we'll be selling the BTC. Remember, this is a simulation. We'll be selling the BTC to USDT. That's what we'll be doing, and know if there's any price differences. Then you can go ahead with A. So basically, let's check. We'll be selling it at this current market price, which is 550, right? We're selling it at this 550, 565. I mean, BTC is volatile this morning, so yeah, it changes. So the amount of BTC we got, then I mean, that's the opportunity we're looking for, bro. $7. It's not up to $10, right? But yeah, it's something. It's something. So $10, we're making $10 from this project. Let's check the current market price now. You're making $7.2 from this. And if you do this 2 times, you'll be making at least $14, and that's more than $10, right? I mean, it's not like an easy way to make money, right? But then you have to do the work, right? So the price now is 4.4. We are still at okay. We are $6 right now. Remember, depending on how fast you are, the price might even correct before I finish talking and correct, because I'm trying to make this video for you guys to see the thought process behind me finding arbitrage opportunities and how I make money. There's no hidden stuff there. If there's an opportunity, you see the opportunity, then there's an opportunity. I mean, some people will be like, yeah, he's not using real money or whatever. I mean, you can clearly see the opportunities there. There's no hidden stuff, right? The current price now, there's no hidden stuff. I mean, it's what you're seeing with your real eyes. Well, I won't even say much about that. I mean, haters will hate, but basically you are seeing it with your real eyes. So the profit now is like $6.2. It's still falling. So the next thing is actually dive right into this market and exploit it as fast as you can before the price corrects, right? Now I have the mentorship program as well. I mean, a lot of people have been asking about it. You can also DM me through my WhatsApp link on the bio or on this comment section, and yeah, you can sign up for that. There are a lot of ways to find arbitrage opportunities. This is just one of them for triangular arbitrage. I mean, I'm showing you this so you understand the complexity of it, and don't think that there's any free money anywhere. You have to work for it, right? And this is not a financial advice. This is basically for educational purposes only, right? Once you enter the real market with a real fund, whatever you see goes, right? You should know that the market doesn't play, right? So yeah, you have to be cautious of that. I mean, if you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share this video to those that may be interested in them. And yeah, let's go.